Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we're going to start to do another needle lace. And I want to thank to all of you for watching and following and subscribing and supporting. All right, we'll start. All right, now I want to show you that design. It's going to be like this. Not this motif, another one, but this is at the end of my needle lace. So I'm going to make this kind of design. All right. Here's the thing, the needle lace, and it's going to be like a mountain. All right, I'm going to start. So over here, I already did little seeds. Now you can make a bigger petal, bigger seeds, but I made it small seeds. So I want to show you how do we do it. This one. All right, we put the thread in the back. You hold it with your finger, and then you go into the seeds. You take the back part and you go over, under, from under to over. So now we have to do, I'm not doing on a round because it's going to take too long time. So I'm doing on a little handkerchief. So first I will do 2 seeds. All right, just like this. I mean petals, I'm sorry. Sometimes I confuse the names. I did 1 petal. In the same seeds you go, you make another petal. Sometimes I'm looking to the video and sometimes I'm looking to my needle lace so I can make sure that I'm not going too far. My hands is not moving. Now that you see here, the 2 petals, what we do is we jump. Like I said, if you have small seeds, you just jump. Jump one and go to the next. And make a little seeds, and then go to the petal, take the front one and throw it over, and make sure that you don't keep it loose. So after that you go back into the petal and you will make another petal and push the petal up like this, and then tighten it up. Here's a petal for you. Now you did 1. This will be outside, it's going to stay there. Then you go back again and you'll do it another one, which it will be 2 petals. Here we go. Now we have 2 petals. We go back to the beginning again, to the seeds. We twist it. Now do you see over here? It became like a flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like a flower for you. So now we're gonna go back. We're going to go in the same place because we're going to make 4 stars like petals. So I'm going to go back again to the same place and I'm going to make another petal. There you go. Now you see it. I just did another petal in the same place. Then I'm going to jump the seeds and I'm going to go to the next. And I'm going to make a little seeds like this, and now from here I'm gonna go to the top, to the petal, and I'm gonna take the top one and I'm gonna throw it over. This is gonna be part of the petal now, this one. From here we're gonna jump on the top and we're gonna throw the top part. There you go. Now over here we're gonna make another, the same place, we're gonna make a petal. There we go. Now you can keep one and then jump down and finish it, or you can do another one. You can go to the same petal or you can go next to it. This thread is a little thick, so I'm going to go next to it. You can do that. It's not going to hurt you. it's not gonna hurt to your needle lace. Just make sure the petals are even and nice. Like you see here, those are the outside petals. Now from here, which I did another petal, I go down into the petal and I'm gonna make another petal over here that you're gonna see how it will be a petal. So now that we are down, we're gonna add another petal here. There you go. And you push it up. And then you go down. See, already it made another petal for you. So this is the way you continue. And then you add another petal here. There you go. Now it became complete. Now I can jump to the next. And here it is, the complete work. You see the petals outside flowers, and here you see 2 complete flowers. On the top it's 2. You can even add third one to make it just different design. But this is the way you do. Well, I hope you'll succeed. And then again, you start just like from the beginning. You do 2, and then you do jump, and then you continue exactly. If you follow, you can do very beautiful job. Well, thank you for watching. Be inspired, try it, and enjoy it. It's a beautiful art, beautiful designs. So like I said, you will do just like my needle lace that I've done it outside. Now those threads, you can order them. It's on the link. It's in description. You can order. Sometimes I do some motifs and I send a little present, but always I do the beginning with the DMC threads, so when you have it, you can start work and add. I'm always doing it and I'm sending it to you. So thank you for watching, and thanks to all the people that are supporting my channel and enjoying my work. So there is plenty motifs. Go on my videos, on a video list. You will see so many needle laces. They all different variety, different things. All right, thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.